もうすぐ蝶屋敷に着くから。
What in the
What is going
world?
on? What is going on? The purple dancing demon. No, you know. Okay, yep, it's the sword master. Yep, not good. That's worse than a demon. It's worse than a demon, Carly. Worse than a demon.
They animate this so well.
He can make him a really cool custom epic sword though now with
Yeah.
Rengoku's, what was it, sword guard.
Poor Tanjiro. Oh my gosh.
You would think a sword.
Oh.
You'd think a sword master has better swords than whatever he's got. What does he have? Like 2 knives?
Yeah, it looks like knives.
Oh, that's nice of her.
鋼塚さんは今どうしてるの？
鋼塚さんなら縁側で肉だけご飯を食べていらっしゃいますよ。
Yeah, food does the trick.
It looks good.
煉獄さんの死から
The studio always shows off with the bloody trees, Carly.
Yeah, it's their specialty.
俺たちは毎日鍛錬をしながら
Hey, look at
合
Tanjiro.
間に入るカラスから
The threaded and the shredded.
Oh.
それぞれ鬼を倒しに行った。一人で行く任務の時も善逸はダダをこねなくなった。
Wow.
That's development.
髪を一草くれ
No, no, Zen, man.
It's romantic.
一人じゃないことは
Look at Zen.
幸せなことだと思う。
Oh, the voice actor kills me.
The mountain shrine where all of them are buried. The disrespectful daemon. Oh, is it a tree?
I was going to say, is it the tree demon?
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, let's go.
Oh wow.
Remember, she's a demon slayer now.
Oh yeah, this one's like, nah, I'm out.
Looks like some sort of arachnid.
Yeah, we've already had that though, so it's got to be different.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to call it the arachnid demon, not the spider demon.
It's the same thing.
Yeah, I know that, but it sounds different. That's the main thing, you know? Oh,
Go,
boy.
go, go.
Yeah.
Oh, easy. Oh, and back again for the head.
The striking tide.
Oh, we love the striking tide. I wonder what the point of that was.
It's epic filler, you know, with Nezco.
Oh, loved that.
What's happening?
Is there some play fighting or something?
Why has he picked up Aoi? Is that her name? I think it's Aoi.
What the heck?
What the heck is the sound Hashira doing?
Oh, she decided on her own.
This seems lighthearted. What's going on?
Yeah, I don't think it's anything serious.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, I misread the situation. I think, you know, anime tropes again.
Tanjiro, the gentleman, is here.
Yeah, they're playing. Yeah, I've got no idea as well, man. What's she gonna do to help?
Oh.
No, no, man.
You mean brute.
葵さんの代わりに俺たちが行く。
俺たちだと
Oh, they're gonna go help him.
Oh.
Oh, Zen.
Okay.
And Inosuke.
They're treating us,
なんだ
Angelo.
てめえら
Oh, please tell me they're all gonna go on a mission with him.
言ってやってもいいぜ
葵ちゃんを離してもらおう。
Oh, he's terrified.
That's big from Zen.
じゃあ一緒に来ていただこうかねただし絶対俺に逆らうなよお前ら
Oh, this is gonna be so good, Carly. What? Hey!
Oh!
Oh!
I'm sorry. That was too much.
That took me off guard, Carly. What the heck?
Oh, shit.
日本一色とよく
Oh, he looks so
似た
sick.
ド派手な場所鬼の住む遊郭だよ
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Is this the new OP? Or the ED? I think that was the new opening, teased. But they put it at the end instead.
ニンニン
Okay.
Well, it's Entertainment District arc, so...
Makes sense.
俺はお前たちのことをよく知らねえちょっとそこで自己紹介やってみろ
Did you not... Did you say 3? You didn't
Yeah, what
include
the heck?
Nezuko.
炭治郎、好きなものはタラの芽。こっちは
Sprouts?
He grew up on the mountain.
好きなものは甘いもの。高級なうなぎなんか
そんなこと聞いたんじゃねえ戦うにあたって
Oh my gosh. And they're telling him
遊
his
郭に
favorite
潜む鬼
foods.
は強えぞ
Oh no, that's not going to fill him with confidence.
強い鬼にも会いたくない。まだネズコちゃんと何もしてないのに、そんなの無理。
What are you going to do, Zen? Go on, tell me. What are you going to do with Nezuko?
He wants to marry her.
Yeah, you're right, you're right.
俺は忍びの家系に生まれただから幼い頃は忍びとして影に隠れ地味に生きてきたんだ
So this whole arc's going to be about the sound Hashira, I think.
Yeah.
お前らも任務では派手な活躍を見せんだぞ
Oh, I can't wait. I cannot wait.
You can't wait for the flashy moves either.
信頼できる人だ。
Okay, that's good.
何ニヤニヤしてんだお前
Look how ripped he is.
Yeah, I know how Inosuke's going to die. He's going to challenge a Hashira.
Oh, yeah.
And one's just like the wind Hashira,
Probs.
just going to kill him. This is kind of all falling in place for me. I'm
Yeah?
not going to lie. Remember when we first met the Hashira, he was the one I was most intrigued about, the sound Hashira.
It's true.
We've already seen Rengoku do his thing, Shinobu, Giyu, and now we're going to get like pretty much a full arc, I'd presume, with the sound Hashira. But that still leaves a few. So it's got me thinking, like, are we going to get, even time spent with the Hashira, or is it only going to be like select?
Yeah, because surely if there's like 2 episodes per Hashira, that's not... Is that going to be rushed? I'm sure they'll do it perfectly, but I'm just wondering what the...
Oh, yeah, they're not going to do that. It doesn't seem. It seems like the entertainment district. Like, it makes sense. It's the flamboyant dude here.
Yes.
This is, the sound Hashira. Mm-hmm. Design is just epic.
It is.
Really good.
He said he had an unflashy childhood
Okay.
because I think he was brought up in like an area where that wasn't really a thing.
Right. Well, I mean, there's a lot to talk about from this episode. I actually like the fact that it was longer.
Yeah, it didn't feel like it was longer, did it?
No. I like the way they split it up.